What is up, everybody?
Jesus Christ, that went on quickly.
That accelerated fast.
Yeah, it did.
We are back here with another build video. We are continuing our build on the Jeff Walker 450. See that? You see that clickbait-ish the title, except for this is a legitimate Jeff Walker bike. Anyway, so as you guys know, I am super busy all the time. That's why we only do these build videos like once every 6 months. We're going to try to step that game up a little bit. So for those of you who are OG on the channel, Justin's back.
What's up, guys?
Justin is wrenching bikes for us now. Is this not a turn of, like, dude, COVID, it got him. It fucking got him. He must have had it, took away a little oxygen to his brain, and now he's wrenching bikes for us. So Justin is here today. He is working on, basically, I'm just doing the intros and the edits here, and Justin's doing all the hard work. So thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Good job.
No problem.
Good job. I'm proud of you. So anyway, so today, Justin is going to be polishing up the frame here. And by polish, I mean we went with new showroom look, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going new showroom look, not full-blown polish. We don't need to, you know, clean our teeth in it or anything. And then hopefully we have enough time left over that we are going to get the motor in, because I've had that freshy motor sitting in there for God knows how long now, that I got built by DBC Racing. They're our motor guys, so shout out to them. Check them out on the old Instagram. What are we doing here today with the hold on, let me get the angle here.
Okay.
So Justin, what are we doing today? What is our plan of attack here for polishing? How do you, as a professional,
Do you use that loosely?
polish
I haven't been a professional mechanic in a few years.
polish this frame? How do we get this thing polished
Well,
up here?
first off, we're gonna try to get some of all this nastiness off of here.
Let's see. Let's
You know,
zoom in on
just-
this here.
Just some grit. Yeah, just some nastiness.
This thing is well used. Okay?
Yeah, well, you know, Jeff Walker did ride it, so it probably crashed a lot. Too.
I washed this
Oh well, you know.
at one point.
Well,
twice.
it's been sitting for a while.
It has been sitting for 6 months.
So,
now,
we're gonna wash this, use some degreaser, and then we're gonna use the stuff that I used to love using. We're gonna use some Mother's aluminum polish
They did not sponsor this video, by the
with
way.
a red Scotch Brite pad.
All right.
That'll get a good shine on it, and well, you know, we're gonna use some of this gunk. I don't know. This is some stuff Travis had. You know.
What would you normally use on it? This is just what I had.
Oh, muck off.
See, he thinks we're rich over here affording that
Muck
muck
off.
off
Please sponsor
shit.
the
I
channel.
can't hardly, dude. You know, I had to fucking dig pennies out of the couch to buy the goddamn
Muck off.
aluminum
Please sponsor the
polish.
channel. Sponsor the channel.
Okay. Anyway, we got the power washer. We got the gunk off stuff he's gonna use, and then he's gonna try to polish her up a little bit with that. Is there anything else you need from me?
No, man, just get the power wash going, and we'll be good.
All right. Let's do a couple quick shots here, flybys of the frame here, like a before and after. And then, yeah, we'll get this rolling, and you guys can watch this all in a time lapse. This is probably gonna take him hours. I don't know.
6, so.
We've got till 6, and then we got to film the show because it's Sunday Fun Day. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. Justin's sitting over here just Justin's sitting over here just cleaning some stuff up here before he bags it and tags it. We got everything, as you saw, the motor's in the frame, kind of. He got everything off of the air box and the swing arm. We have one bolt that broke off of the swing arm, so we'll have to drill that out and tap it, but no big deal, we'll make that happen. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. More videos to come. We'll be knocking these out more than one every 6 months. Maybe like every 3 months now?
Maybe.
Every 3 months. Since Justin's doing some of the heavy wrenching for me here, I have to do my part. I need to get parts coded and come up with money to be able to pay for parts. So I guess we'll work on that too. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. See everybody next time.